Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of the new Canon 50mm f1.8 lens. Now this is marked for around 8,000 rupees in India, but it is available for around 6,700 on snapdeal.com. And so let's open it up. Now this lens is pretty cheap considering Canon lenses, and we get 2 years of warranty. Good. And this lens is called the Nifty 50, or also Plastic Fantastic, considering the wide aperture and the price point. So that's a pretty huge manual. Coming to the lens, so this is the Canon 50mm f1.8 lens, as you can see, and this being a prime lens, you cannot zoom in or zoom out. There's just one toggling button for auto and manual focusing, and it's got a 52mm front dial where you can put in some filters. 50mm 1.8, it's entirely made of plastic. Even the camera mount on the back is made of plastic, but then considering the price and the image quality it delivers, it's pretty good. So thank you for watching.